Hello guys, welcome back to Poppy Games once again for that unboxing. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing for Shin Megami Tensei Devil Survivor 2 Record Breaker. So in front of me, this game is for the Nintendo 3DS. From the front cover you can see three different characters from the game. Top right corner it says Nintendo Network. In the bottom it says bonus decal set plus music CD included. Bottom left corner it says this game is rated T for teen. On the bottom right it says this game was developed or published by Atlas. Alright, now with that being shown, let's go on to the side. So from the background of the side view, it's like a bluish background with the main character over here with the logo and the emblem. This game is a shrink wrap copy game. Here we go. Alright, now let's just show you guys all around how it looks. Looks really nice. There we go. Now let's move on to the back. So from the back, they show you three different scenes here, and it shows you a little bit about the bonus including. I'm going to read for you guys from the top left. It says, your days are numbered. The upgraded and enhanced version of the acclaimed RPG Devil Survivor 2 warns us that the apocalypse is upon us once again. What would you do if you could see others' deaths before they come to pass? A mysterious website, Nisea, will show you just this. What you do with the information will determine the fate of mankind as calamity of unprecedented scale strikes Japan. Alright, so from the first scene right below it says, a new chapter takes the adventure long past where the original game ended. Right next to it, it says, full story voice work breathes new life into the high tension plot. Right next to that it says, collecting and fusing demons and exploiting enemies' weaknesses will be the key to your success in battle. Alright, now for the bonus, going on to the top right. So it says decal set plus music CD included. That's basically how it looks. We'll be able to see more about it inside. So for the specs, it says Spot Pass. Connect to internal internet hotspots. Internet downloadable content. Street Pass connect to other Nintendo 3DS systems. And for the rating, the reason why this game is rated T for teen is because of alcohol reference, blood, language, partial nudity, suggestive themes, use of tobacco, and violence. Online interactions not rated by the ESRB. Alright, with that being shown, let's move on to see what's inside. Where can I open it from? There we go. And this side. Oh no. It came out bad. Is there anything else? Oh no. There we go. So that's exactly what came. How it came, rather. Here's the which one is this? The Shoji Meguro and Atlas Sound Team arranged soundtrack. Here's the backside. And let's open it up to see what's inside. Oh, it comes in like a sleeve. Okay. This is how it looks. Okay, let's put this back. Ooh, sorry. And here is stickers, decal. There we go. There we go. Okay, and here's the game. So it's basically the same front cover as the collectible box. Now for the side view, it's a little different. It has the solid white background with the logo. Here's the emblem right there. This game is a Y-fold copy game. It's Y-fold, like the letter Y. And moving on to the back, it's exactly the same thing as the collectible box. Here we go. just to show you. Okay. Now, since you guys already know what's written on there, I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside. Whew, that was dangerous. There you go. So as soon as you open it up, it seems like you got a piece of paper on the left and the game cartridge on the right. Nothing behind the front cover. So it's just this. Doesn't fold anything. So it's just a warnings paper. All warnings. All right. Let's get a quick zoom in of the game cartridge. All right. And with that being shown and said, that pretty much wraps up the unboxing for Shin Megami Tensei Devil Survivor 2 Record Breaker, the collectible box. And as always, thank you guys for staying in tune with us popping games for our unboxings. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.